So here we have our potato salad and some of the possible flavorings we're going to use to doctor up this grocery store potato salad to make it my own. What I encourage you to do is to think about the flavors that you love in a potato salad, and that will make your potato salad because it will be how you have flavored it. We have parsley, scallions, red onion, celery, dill, some salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and maybe even a little apple cider vinegar. The first step is to taste the potato salad. So if you haven't done that, you want to dig in and get a nice spoonful. And figure out what you like and you don't like about your potato salad. I chose a red bliss potato salad. It's made with baby red potatoes because that's my favorite kind of potato salad. This one definitely does need some doctoring up though. In this case, my taste test showed me that this potato salad has plenty of salt in it. So it's definitely salty enough. It could use some black pepper. So I'm going to start there. Put some nice grates of black pepper. Mix that around. It definitely needs celery. So I'm going to put, it's about a cup of celery, chopped finely. And I'm starting out with about a quarter cup of red onion. Mix all that together. So as I'm doing this, it's adding color as well as flavor to this potato salad. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of dill and also a tablespoon of parsley. More color, also more flavor with those herbs. And I think I could use just a little bit of brightening up, and things like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar will do that. Just a little bit though. Okay, now I'm going to let this sit for just a couple minutes and then I'll do another taste test and we'll see how I've done. Now let's do the taste test. It's good. The celery and the onion have added crunch. That with the dill and the parsley have taken away some of that saltiness that I was tasting in my first taste. Of course, the pepper adds a little zip to it. The apple cider vinegar lifted the flavor. It tasted a little flat when I first tasted it. So there's just a little bit of zip. As you noticed, I didn't put too much in there. So it's good. I think this is it. I've transferred the potato salad to a bowl for serving. And I'm going to just put a little bit of decoration on it. I'm going to add just a sprinkling of some additional parsley. And just a bit of dill. A few sprinkles of the red onion so that people know what's in it. And then I'm going to add some green onions, scallions for the top. And there you have it. Our grocery store potato salad that I made my own, and you can make your own.